Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the key fob of a keyless entry remote for a 2008 Ford F-150. It's pretty simple. Just put your fingernails between the pieces and just open it up. Take it out. It is a CR2032. I bought some new ones from Walmart. It's a 3-volt battery, 2032. Here's the new battery. Just peel off this protector. Just stick it in, face up, push it back together, and there it is, good as new. Lock it, open it. As you can see, it works good as new. Lock it, we're gonna open it, and there it goes. So this should fix your problem. If you're coming out to your truck trying to unlock it and it won't unlock, the battery's probably going dead. So I hope this video helped you out. Give it a thumbs up if it did. If you know someone with a 2008 Ford F-150, please share my channel with them. And thanks for watching.